just in my office, and I've got an Airsoft GI 20th anniversary Platinum V2 to open up and see what's in it. So let's see if we get back in our routine to Classic Army today. I think we paid $180 for it, $179 for it. Let's get in this thing and see what we got. Because last time we were surprised. All right, as usual, we got plenty paper. And what we have here is something we don't normally get on this channel. It's a black box. No compromise. This is not a Classic Army box. This is HK box. I think there's only 2 HKs on the list. Let's see what's in here. Come on, man. Thing. Oh, good night. Let's see. Can you see? Okay. So we got, let's stay connected. Let's stay connected. Subscribe and like down below. Let's stay connected. Instruction. We got a 300 round high cap mag. Cardboard. Cardboard. No whipping sticks. No whipping sticks. But we do got a win. We've got a massive win. Look at that. What do you think? Come on. This is the Elite Force H&K 416A5 CQB Airsoft rifle in black. Come on. I do think this is a 300 round high cap. Oh, it's full metal, except for the buttstock and of course the hand grip. But I think everybody else is full metal. Picatinny top. We got rails everywhere on this joker. Ambidextrous mag release. Come on. Rotary hop up. Ambidextrous. Right there. Oh, everything is ambidextrous on this joker. This is nice. This is a massive win. This is a massive win. $549. We paid $180 for the box. I'm telling you, just grab you a box. Oh, man. So we got internal MOSFET, full metal, of course, like I said, except for this. It says CQB linked barrel. We got the rail system with integrated flip up front sights. Look, I like how that like lays down in there. See that? Is it focused? Right there, lays down in there. Pops up. Yeah, they're full metal. Oh, dude, come on. That's metal. I'll get that locked in there. A5 charging handle. What do y'all think? I think. Come on. Come on. I haven't always been a fan of everything on the gun like this. All these rails and stuff everywhere. I like them sleek and where you can hold them, but I don't know. This actually looks good. Feels good. It's not heavy. This thing's metal and it's not bad at all. I mean, I could probably run with this thing all day long. What do y'all think? Okay, so let's see. Let's see what she's wired to. Alright. If I can get it pulled out, that I don't like. It's wired to Tamiya. Let's lay that in there. You can put a nice size battery in there. Alright, so tomorrow we're going to see what this thing will do. Throw a battery in it and let her eat. Thank you for watching. Bless y'all, and we'll see you in the next one.